This is Larry Mullins from Intertechnology in Canada. We're going to be doing a dynamic signal analysis of a PCB printed circuit board using strain gauges. We're going to be using rosette strain gauges, which are planar small strain gauges, as you can see right here. I'm going to be turning that over, and we're going to be creating a dynamic strain rate test using our System 8000. Our System 8000 scans at up to 1,000 scans per channel per second, and it has an analysis tool. We use a software called StrainSmart. StrainSmart do analysis, high strain rate analysis, and it's an acquisition tool. We're going to be creating a dynamic test through a printed circuit board. We're going to be putting a ball bearing on it, dropping a ball bearing, and looking at the dynamic returns, looking at a time history. So we have the system ready to go. We're going to start scanning. We're going to create some static measurements with my fingers, and we're going to create a dynamic test. As you can see, we're starting to score here. I'm going to create this. You're going to see everything in the time history, but I'm creating a static test, which is static strain changes, and I'm also going to create a dynamic test using a ball bearing drop. And we're going to stop this test, and we're going to say yes to the duplicate, and then we're going to look at the scan session itself in the time history. Here's our completed scan sessions. We're going to look at the data. This is the data that we're going to be looking at. We're going to say yes. And this numeric data, we're scanning at 500 scans per second. And you can look at the strip chart data as well, which is really useful. Here's our static data, which we're going to kind of zoom in on, which I was creating. You also can get your dynamic test right here, which is the time history. So you get lots of data, and you can actually put in information like your maxes and your mins as well. So that's a brief overview on dynamic strain measurement using our System 8000 on a printed circuit board. Thank you.